Is media ownership too concentrated? I think it is. About six companies control 90% of the media: GE, News Corp, Disney, Viacom, Time Warner, CBS. Some other companies are National Amusements, Sony, Comcast. In 1983, about 90% of American media was controlled by 50 companies. 2011, the same 90% is controlled by about 6 to 10 companies. So what's wrong with the media giants controlling everything? If media moguls control media content and media distribution, Chuck Lewis, an executive director for the Center for Public Integrity, says that diversity will go down and the grip of commercial and political power, because they're so enforced, so rich, is not good. And it limits creativity, diversity, competition, restricts the little guys from getting ahead and building their businesses to where they want to be because they get bought out.